Imagine you are falling. Not toward a black hole. Not into the sun. But toward something far smaller, something no bigger than a city. From a distance it doesn't look terrifying. It hangs alone in the darkness, glowing with an eerie blue-white light. Silent, beautiful, almost peaceful. Your navigation computer identifies it with 2 words. Neutron star. Before you can react, your engines fail. Gravity has already chosen your fate. In the next few minutes you are about to discover why one of the smallest objects in the universe is also one of the deadliest places that has ever existed. At first nothing feels wrong. The stars still sparkle behind you. Your spacecraft hums quietly. The neutron star looks almost harmless, no larger than a tiny marble against the endless black. It is difficult to believe that this glowing sphere contains more mass than our own Sunday. A mountain-sized amount of matter has been compressed into something barely 20 kilometers across. It should not exist, and yet it does. Its surface shines with impossible brightness, as if someone trapped the power of 1 billion lightning bolts beneath polished steel. It is mesmerizing. Almost hypnotic. But something is wrong. Your instruments begin screaming. Numbers race beyond every limit. Gravity is no longer simply pulling your spacecraft. It is reaching for every atom inside your body. A neutron star is not just heavy. Its gravity is so intense that standing on its surface would feel like billions of tons crushing every inch of you. You do not need to land for it to become deadly. You are still thousands of kilometers away, and already falling faster than any human has ever traveled. Your engines ignite at full power. Nothing happens. They might as well be trying to stop a hurricane with a single candle. The neutron star does not care. It has already won. But here is the problem. Gravity does not pull equally. The side of your spacecraft facing the star is being pulled. The ship bends. Not because it is weak, but because nothing was ever designed for this. Warning lights explode across every screen. Structural failure. Hull deformation. Critical stress. Your spacecraft is literally being stretched apart before your eyes, and you are trapped inside it. But it gets worse. Neutron stars do not simply crush space. Many of them spin, and they spin unbelievably fast. Some rotate hundreds of times every second. Imagine an entire city spinning faster than the blades of a kitchen blender. It sounds impossible, yet neutron stars do exactly that. As you fall closer, space itself begins to look wrong. The stars smear into glowing rings. Light twists around the star before reaching your eyes. Nothing appears where it should. Up no longer feels like up. Down has no meaning. Distance becomes impossible to judge. Your brain loses every reference point as the universe itself seems to melt around you. Scientists discovered these bizarre spinning stars decades ago. They called them pulsars because they flash through space like giant cosmic lighthouses. Every pulse races across the galaxy with incredible precision. Some are so accurate that they keep better time than the finest atomic clocks ever built on Earth. NASA has even studied them as possible navigation beacons for future spacecraft. But standing near one is a completely different story. Those beautiful flashes are not welcoming signals. They are warnings. This is where everything changes. The radiation arrives. Not warmth. Not sunlight. Pure death. Invisible beams of X-rays and gamma rays explode outward from the star. If Earth were exposed to this at close range, our atmosphere would barely slow it down. Your spacecraft shielding begins absorbing impossible amounts of energy. Metal starts heating. Electronics begin to fail. Every display flickers into static. The air fills with the smell of burning wires. Your skin starts to tingle. Then it burns. Then blisters begin to form. You are not too. You glance outside. The neutron star has grown larger. It is still beautiful. Still glowing. Still silent. It does not roar like the sun. It does not explode. It simply exists, completely indifferent, as if destroying you requires no effort at all. But that is not even the worst part. Some neutron stars possess magnetic fields so powerful that they rewrite reality itself. They are called magnetars. If an ordinary refrigerator magnet were the size of a grain of sand, a magnetar would be larger than the Earth. Its magnetic field is trillions of times stronger than anything humanity has ever created. You do not have to touch it. You do not even have to land. Simply getting close is enough. The atoms inside your body begin behaving differently. Chemical bonds distort. Electrons are forced into unnatural paths. Some scientists believe that if a magnetar passed halfway between Earth and the Moon, it could erase every credit card on our planet. Closer than that, the consequences become unimaginable. Metal objects inside your cabin begin vibrating. Tools slide across the floor without anyone touching them. Your watch stops ticking. Your communications fall silent. Your spacecraft is no longer functioning as a machine. It is becoming part of the magnetic storm itself. One by one every system collapses until only silence remains. You are now close enough to see the surface. It does not resemble rock or metal or anything you have ever imagined. It looks impossibly smooth, as though reality itself has been polished flat. Scientists believe the crust is only about a meter thick, yet it may be the strongest material anywhere in the known universe. Trying to crack it would require forces beyond anything humanity has ever produced. Beneath that thin crust there is no ordinary matter. Every atom has been crushed until electrons and protons no longer exist separately. Only neutrons remain. Matter itself has surrendered to gravity. But here is the terrifying part. Nobody truly knows what lies deeper. Some theories suggest an ocean of superfluid neutrons flowing without friction. Others imagine strange quarks moving freely in a state of matter that has never been recreated on Earth. Some physicists believe entirely unknown forms of matter may exist beneath the crust, hidden forever beneath unimaginable pressure. You are falling toward one of the greatest mysteries in the universe, but you will never survive long enough to solve it. The pull becomes unbearable. Your body feels strangely lighter and infinitely heavier at the same time. Your feet accelerate faster than your head. Your spine begins to stretch. Bones separate. Muscles tear apart. Blood rushes downward with unstoppable force. Every molecule inside your body is trying to obey a different version of gravity. There is no pain that compares to this. There is only disintegration. But it gets worse. Time itself begins to betray you. More than a century ago, Albert Einstein predicted that stronger gravity slows the flow of time. Around a neutron star, that prediction becomes terrifyingly real. To someone watching safely from far away, your final moments appear to slow down. Every movement becomes longer. Every second stretches into something unnatural. Meanwhile, inside your own mind, everything feels completely normal. You never notice time changing. You simply continue falling. Closer. 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 Toward an object that bends not only space but time itself. The surface now fills your entire view. There are no mountains. No oceans. No clouds. Only a glowing landscape brighter than molten steel. If you somehow survived everything until this moment, you still would not survive the landing. There would be no dramatic impact. No explosion. The instant your body touched the surface, gravity would flatten you into a layer thinner than a sheet of paper. Every atom would be compressed beyond recognition. Every memory would vanish. Every heartbeat. Scientists have never watched a human approach a neutron star, and no one ever will. The nearest known neutron stars are hundreds of light years away, far beyond the reach of any spacecraft we have ever built. Humanity has explored Mars. We have landed probes on comets. Voyager has crossed the edge of interstellar space and continues drifting into the darkness. The Event Horizon Telescope captured the first image of a black hole. We have even detected the collision of neutron stars by measuring tiny ripples in space and time that traveled across the universe for millions of years before reaching Earth. When two neutron stars collide, the explosion releases more energy in seconds than our Sun will produce during its entire lifetime. In those violent collisions, some of the rarest elements in existence are forged. Gold, platinum, uranium. The precious metals inside your wedding ring, your watch, and the electronics in your pocket may have been born in one of these unimaginable cosmic catastrophes billions of years ago. Every atom of heavy metal on Earth carries the memory of a stellar disaster so violent that it shook the fabric of the universe itself. But that is what makes this even more unsettling. The same universe capable of creating breathtaking beauty also creates places where life never had a chance. A neutron star is not evil. It is not hunting you. It does not know you exist. Its gravity has no hatred. Its radiation has no anger. Its magnetic field has no intention. It simply follows the laws of physics with absolute perfection. Those laws are more terrifying than any monster we could ever imagine, because they cannot be reasoned with, negotiated with, or escaped. They simply exist, waiting for anything unfortunate enough to come too close. As your final moment approaches, you stop fighting. There was never another ending. Long before humans built rockets, long before Earth formed around a young sun, and long before life took its first breath, the physics deciding your fate had already been written into the fabric of the universe. You were never stronger than gravity. You were only borrowing time. Every civilization that has ever existed has looked up at the stars with wonder, believing they were symbols of hope and discovery. But hidden among those distant lights are places where reality itself becomes deadly. Places where matter is crushed beyond imagination, where time slows to a crawl, where radiation tears atoms apart, and where magnetic fields can reshape the structure of matter itself. A neutron star is one of those places. It is a reminder that the universe does not care how intelligent we become or how advanced our technology is. It does not make exceptions. It does not offer second chances. It simply follows its own laws with absolute precision. In the end, a neutron star does not destroy you because it is cruel. It destroys you because that is what reality demands. And perhaps that is the most unsettling truth of all. The universe is not filled with monsters hiding in the darkness. The universe itself is the monster. It is magnificent beyond imagination. It is breathtakingly beautiful. It is silent. It is ancient. And it is completely indifferent to whether we live or die. Somewhere out there, scattered across the endless ocean of space, countless neutron stars continue spinning in perfect silence, waiting for absolutely no one. Long after humanity is gone, long after our cities have turned to dust, and long after our sun has faded into darkness, they will still be there, glowing in the endless night as eternal reminders that the cosmos was never built for us. We are only visitors, looking into an abyss that has existed for billions of years, and the abyss has never looked back.